Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. MoEF Ministry to work for speedy resumption of mining in Goa. Goa proposes different export duty slabs according to grade of iron ore. Major blow to Rane's. Goa police lodge an FIR against Pratap Singh and Vishwajit Rane in lease bribery case. FIR after statement of Balchandra Naik. Michael Lobo claims that CM will ban Sree Ram Sene the day it is inaugurated in Goa. Goenkas hit the streets against Mutalik and Sudin Daudikar. GPCC President speaks language of resignation after his Delhi visit. Reshuffling of Congress committees across nation after Antony Committee report. And France set to take on Germany. Brazil clash with Colombia in FIFA World Cup quarterfinals on Friday night. And now the news in detail. Union Environment Ministry is moving to resolve the buffer zone and mining related issues of Goa. Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar said ministry wants to resume mining operations in Goa as soon as possible within the ambit of law. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is in Delhi. Goa has also proposed grade-wise export duty on iron ore. CM also met Union Finance Minister in Delhi.
The pressure on Goa government to resume mining operations is building up as the ban proceeds in the third consecutive season. Looks like the government has sensed the undercurrent in the mining belt. CM Parrikar met Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar on Thursday in Delhi to discuss issues pertaining mining. CM also met the Union Mines Minister. State buffer zone issues and mining related issues were discussed in the crucial meet with Javadekar. Union Minister is in support of restarting mining operation at the earliest following the laws. Minister Javadekar said issues of river pollution and dumps were also discussed with Parrikar.
Today, Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar met. It's a second meeting. It's a new mechanism which is found very useful because we can fast track the decision making after taking correct perusal of all the issues in its totality. Today we discussed the mining, the river pollution and other issues related in the light of Supreme Court decisions, because state and central also wants to adhere to the rules, regulations, laws and the judgment, but still go ahead with the public purpose projects, and therefore we have charted out a plan and will go ahead with it.
Goa has also proposed grade-wise export duty on iron ore. Chief Minister also met Union Finance Minister in Delhi. Month has passed since Modi government took over the reins at the centre, but the concerns of stakeholders and miners are not over yet. Miners even thought over knocking the doors of the apex court. Government had earlier assured mining policy by June, but now CM says policy might be out by July or August. On the other side, government wants to revisit Kasturirangan report on Western Ghats. Though the government assures resumption of mining operations by September, Achhe Din seems a distant reality for Goan mining dependents and industry, at least for now. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Special investigating team of Goa Police has booked former Chief Minister Pratap Singh Rane and his son Vishwajit Rane in mining lease bribery case. Police has booked them under the Indian Penal Code and Prevention of Corruption Act for extortion and taking bribe. FIR has been registered on the basis of statement given by mining lease owner Balchandra Naik. Naik in his statement has claimed that Ranes had demanded bribe of 10 crore rupees in order to get environment clearances for his mine. SIT of Goa Police on late Thursday registered FIR against former Chief Minister and current leader of opposition Pratap Singh Rane and his son Vishwajit Rane in mining lease bribery case. Both have been booked under Indian Penal Code and Prevention of Corruption Act for extortion and taking bribe. A senior police officer related with the investigation of this case told to Prudent that Chairman and Managing Director of Dahej Minerals Limited Company, Balchandra Naik, in his statement has disclosed cognizable offence by Ranis. Statement of Balchandra Naik has been considered as complaint and the FIR has been registered. Balchandra Naik on Wednesday had recorded his statement before the SIT. According to sources, he has stated that Pratap Singh Rane had demanded bribe of 10 crore rupees in order to get environment clearances for his mine at Parye during his tenure as Chief Minister. SIT is likely to summon Ranes for questioning on this weekend. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured to shut down Mutalik's Sree Ram Sene branch in Goa the day it opens. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has claimed it. Michael Lobo said it in Prudent's debate. Apateli MGP leader also opposed Mutalik and his Sene, but he says if Mutalik is to be arrested, a strong case needs to be built. Hindu Jana Jagruti Samiti says Mutalik should operate his branch within the ambit of law. Meanwhile, Navali locals held a dharna against Mutalik and burnt his effigy. They even condemned Sudin Daulikar.
Why are you against Pramod Mutalik?
I am an Indian citizen. Under the Constitution of India, I have rights. No religious or political group can come and tell me, no, you cannot do this, you cannot do that, you cannot step out of your house, you will have to do this.
आता तुमको दिसता फाल्यां प्रमोद मुतालिका सारखी जी प्रवृत्ती हा ती गोंया येवपा दिवचें आनी आयल्यार बॅन घालचें काय ना.
You see, there is one thing. Now, if you want to stop him, you stop how? How you stop it? There should be legal back. Yes. You see, you have to build up a case against him now.
Yes, 100%.
And that the government should do.
तुमची मत कितें आहा ताका येवपा दिवचा काय येवपा दिवचो
ना
न्ही?
दिवपाचो न्ही.
Your party is coming out and saying he has not done anything wrong in Goa, so there are no grounds to ban him.
I have taken one-to-one meeting with Honorable Chief Minister and I have told him that please do not allow people like Pramod Mutalik to set up a unit and then we will face the music, you know, especially because our is a tourism state. We cannot allow these things to happen. So he has agreed with me. He told me when that time comes, I will ban him.
करप्शन के लिए हमारे यहाँ पर लॉ है, तो फिर अन्ना हजारे का मूवमेंट क्यों बना? उन्होंने कहना चाहिए था, गवर्नमेंट ने कहना चाहिए था.
You are comparing अन्ना हजारे to Pramod Mutalik.
See, why not? क्यों नहीं? अपने विषय में आए होता है. आप अलग तरीके से इसको लेके जाते हैं. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, यदि कानून है, फिर भी एक व्यक्ति को मूवमेंट करनी पड़ती है. तो ये जो कह रहे हैं कि नहीं कानून है और हमको आवश्यकता नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं है.
If there are illegal pubs, go to court, go to the law enforcement agencies and get them closed. Who the hell has given the right to close it?
Meanwhile, Naveli locals along with Kaitu Silva hit the streets against Pramod Mutalik. They burned Mutalik's effigy. Kaitu Silva demanded ban on Sree Ram Sene. Residents of Salsette also condemned Sudin Daulikar for supporting Mutalik's ideologies.
Ram Sene म्हणटा ताका आमी कंप्लीटली बंद करपा जाय गोंयसून कित्याक चड जाल्ले. आतां दवलेकारूय उलोवपा लागलो. दवलेकाराचे अजुनूय ते मतींत आसतले गोंया कित्याक एमजी मॅडम गोंय आहा ते महाराष्ट्रा घालून दवरताले. सो त्या तेंपाक ओपनिंग पुलसान ते काबार जाल्ले आनी आतांय तो गोंयकारांचे उलयता भिकेनी काय नाका पाप बंद करतलो आनी कितें बंद करतलो. आमगे कल्चर कितको यूज करपा जाय तो आमकां सांगपा गरज ना. जरूर तर कोणाकूच कल्चरल प्रॉब्लेम्स आहा. गोंयच कल्चर तेंक नाका. दे कॅन लिव वेर दे कॅन द कल्चर दे लायक दे कॅन गो एंड स्टे देयर.
Bureau Report Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.